What's up guys, welcome back to another vlog. Yes guys, so today I'm in the kitchen once more, and you all know that this segment is called Stacy's Cooking Show. But if you're new to my channel, I guess you haven't heard about Stacy's Cooking Show. So if you're new to my channel, this segment I call it Stacy's Cooking Show, where I cook and I vlog. I call that Stacy's Cooking Show. So I'm in the kitchen today, and to all my old subscribers, you should have known by now about Stacy's Cooking Show. Yes guys, so I'm in the kitchen today and I'm gonna make a pizza. I already finished with my dough here. I already made it dough, and this dough is easy to make guys. You just use some flour. I don't know for you guys, but I'm gonna tell you what I have in my what I add in my flour. Sorry. I use flour and I use butter. I use some cooking oil. I use a little bit of salt. I use some sugar, and I use this yeast right here, the Red Star yeast. I love to work with this yeast. Rise so faster. So guys, I'm gonna leave this. I've finished making the dough guys. See here guys, soft and nice. Yes, so I'm just gonna leave it to rise. It's already kneaded out. I'm gonna leave it to rise, and then I'm gonna show you guys the outcome of my pizza after I'm finished. So as you all can see guys, this is 2 packets of yeast. I only use 1 in the dough. I'm just use this as a display to show you guys. I only use 1, like 1. This is 2. I use 1. You're not supposed to use more than 1. All depends to the amount of dough you're making. Just use 1 packet, it will rise. Yeah, so just stay tuned guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and leave my dough. I'm gonna leave it under some plastic wrap. I'm gonna leave it to rise a little bit, and then I'm gonna make my pizza guys. I'm gonna make a pepperoni pizza today however, so just stay tuned for the outcome. I have some pizza on my channel before, so I don't think I will vlog everything, but just stay tuned guys. You'll see what's the outcome of it. Stay tuned. So I'll be working with the shredded mozzarella cheese, and I'm working with some turkey pepperoni guys. I'm not gonna use all of this guys, I'm just gonna use some. And for the cheese, I'm just gonna use some also. So just stay tuned guys. No, wait, it's so touchy, wait. Yeah. So guys, the pizza is ready for the oven. As you can see, the sauce is on, the cheese is on, the pepperoni is on, and this is extra pepperoni because my kids love pepperoni. I go ahead and use some original pepperoni also, and I have some turkey pepperoni. And there, if you notice, you see 2 different types of pepperoni. So that's the original and the turkey pepperoni. And my son did this one. Yep, this one is packed with pepperoni because he loves pepperoni. He helped me put on the topping on this one. Right, so we have an extra large pizza over here, and we have a medium over here. Yeah, so just stay tuned for the outcome guys.